Presenter, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is your name, and I represent 7 Computers. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to our company and the wide range of end-to-end IT solutions and services we offer. Slide 1, Company Logo and Tagline. Presenter, pointing to the slide, as you can see, our company logo represents our commitment to excellence and innovation in the IT industry. Our tagline, Empowering Your Digital Journey, reflects our dedication to providing comprehensive IT solutions tailored to meet your unique business needs. Slide 2, Company Overview. Presenter, 7 Computers is a leading provider of IT solutions and services, catering to businesses of all sizes. With our extensive expertise and a strong network of partnerships, we deliver high-quality solutions to empower your digital transformation. Slide 3, our services. Presenter, let's explore the diverse range of services we offer. IT hardware sales, we provide a wide selection of high-quality IT hardware, including laptops, desktops, servers, networking equipment, and peripherals. Our team can assist you in selecting the best hardware solutions to support your business operations. Software sales, we offer a comprehensive range of software solutions, including productivity tools, security software, operating systems, and enterprise applications. Our experts can help you choose and implement the right software to optimize your workflows. Refurbished laptops and desktops. For cost-effective solutions, we offer refurbished laptops and desktops that undergo rigorous testing and refurbishment processes. These devices provide excellent performance at reduced prices, enabling you to maximize your IT budget. UPS installation, uninterruptible power supply. UPS systems are critical to ensure continuous power supply and protect your valuable equipment. Our team specializes in UPS installation, providing reliable backup power solutions tailored to your specific requirements. AMC Packages, we offer annual maintenance contract, AMC Packages, to provide proactive support, preventive maintenance, and rapid issue resolution. Our goal is to minimize downtime and keep your IT infrastructure running smoothly.